How to remove Spotify recommendations. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In your library, you can view your liked songs, your playlists, and recently played songs or artists. Now, select a playlist of your choice and tap on it. Then play a song from the list. After that, go to the bottom and open the Now Playing screen. Tap on the shuffle icon on the bottom left corner of the screen, as you can see over here. You now have disabled the shuffle option and recommendations. This way, you get to have more control over the music that you listen to on Spotify. So, by following these steps, you can easily remove Spotify recommendations.